Okay, go. Right, inside this bag there are some mystery objects, okay? Can't see them. We're going to put your hand inside and we're going to put the object on the right letter, okay? So if we take a cat out, we'll have to put the cat on the letter K.
But I don't have a cat.
I don't know what we have. Shall we find out? Okay? Right, put your hand in, take one object out. What have you got? Let's take something out. What? Ooh. Right, what's that then? That is a... What animal is it?
A duck.
A duck. What letter does duck begin with?
Da.
Where's the D on here? Should we sit duck on the D? You think he'll sit? Let's leave the D there. Should we sit him on his right, on this card? Yes? Duck. Duck begins with a?
D.
D. Shall we clap the word duck out? D. A. K. Should we do it one more time? You say it. You say it. D. A. K. Well done. Next one. What's that?
Cat.
Cats. So where should we put that then? Which card do you want to put that on? What does cats begin with? The letter K. Put it on the right card. Let's have a look where you're going to put it. That's it. Should we clap cats out? See if you can do it.
K.
A. T. That's it. Cat. Let's see what else comes out. What is that?
Is that Sangeeta's one?
Yes. What animal is it? A
Fish.
fish.
But can I keep that home? Well,
We'll see later. What letter, Johan, what letter does fish begin with? What's the first sound? What's the first sound of fish?
F.
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 Is there a here on this board? Johan, can you put it on the right card? Where's the F on here? Where is it? You show me. You show me. Where shall I put it? Where's the F? Where's the F? Johan, put it on the right card.
Pick three.
That's right. Clever boy. Right. Shall we clap fish out?
Fish.
There's three sounds. Let's do it again. Copy mummy. Say it after mummy. Good. Next one. What's that? A
Cap.
cap. And what letter does cap begin with? K. Okay, is there a K here on the board?
Yeah,
There.
but it's a bit too big to fit. It will touch the gap.
We'll leave it there for now. Can you clap cap out? K.
K.
A. P. One more time. You do it. K.
K.
A. P. Cap.
Cap.
Look at this, Johan. Did you manage to put all the objects on the right cards? Did you? And you got all the sounds right, didn't you? Well done. Good boy. That was a good effort. Did you enjoy that?